Okay, we're back. Let's see if it's fully charged. We got a green light now on the charger. It's been plugged in and now it's fully charged. So this is a brand new battery that Wowgo sent me. So it's hooked up to the ESC. ESC is hooked up to the wheels. Okay, I'm plugged in here, so I think I can unplug here. Actually, I should probably unplug up here and unplug here. Now I'll turn on the remote. Let's see, is this the remote? No, that's okay. This is not the remote for that one. This is the remote for this one. Okay, I got the right remote. This is the Wowgo remote. I'll turn it on. Okay, it's fully charged. Even though the battery's fully charged and brand new, the remote isn't engaging with the, I presume it's the ESC. It's right here. Since there's nothing wrong with the battery, it's fully charged. And the remote's on. Nothing's happening. Okay, that concludes my video. Thank you.